Hey, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So this is a little bit more on the truck that sat in the woods for like 7-8 years, however long it was. And let's see, inspection sticker last was 14, so that's pretty wild. But last time we talked, we got the truck in here, got the bed on here. My old man's gotten the headers ran. He's been working on the exhaust and something pretty cool down below. A little look at the color the truck is going to be. Good way to start off the vid, just showing you guys what we talked about last time. And right down here, he's got his exhaust all ran, all tacked just for now. But it's looking pretty good. The transmission is up in there with the new drive shaft. So that's pretty sick to see. And that new drive shaft is beautiful too, aluminum. And then just comes out to duals in the rear there. So it's a pretty sick setup. The muffler has a little X-pipe in it. I was just excited to show you guys that, what we've been working on down here. But everything's been going pretty smooth, pretty good. So I'll just keep you guys updated on what's to come. Yo, check this out. First time seeing the Chevy run. Yeah, no way. That's awesome. It's pretty loud. We heard it. Yeah, so we're gotta put the pipes down here, but this is nuts. It's loud. That's so sick. It's like actually so crazy to see this thing like running. I mean, it sat what 7-8 years or something like that. I said in the first vid, like it's just crazy. All the brakes are done now too. Been working on the heater core. I think he's still working on that. Needs a cover down there, but it's all new. Hard to get some content on this for y'all, but the fuel tank is all in place now. All the fuel lines are ran. I believe he's still working on some of the brake lines. Yeah, as we can see, this wheel isn't on yet, and it's just coming out down there. He's still running his pipes, like I said in the beginning of this clip. But oh man, do we love to see it. I think it's loud. Pretty funny. We took apart Brendan's air filter box assembly because we just have never gotten to it because it's kind of a pain to get to, and the filter was horrible. So I was like, yo, give this thing a start. So we're gonna see how this thing sounds with just no filter to the turbo. You ready?
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah. That? You hear that? So this is pretty sick to see, just kind of hanging out, and actually conveniently enough in the Cabela's parking lot, not even a part of the meet, is this Lexus GX470. Guy's got kind of an overlanding style build going on. I believe that must be some sort of pop-up tent, kind of camper style tent at the top. Wood grain wheel, that Lexus luxury. It's got a nice lift though, it looks great, the wheels are sick. Just cool to see. Hey, what's up, guys? So wanted to kind of give you just a random look at just a small piece of my personal life in the automotive world. So this is my stepfather's 1999 GMC Ukon. And man, I remember him daily driving this thing my whole life, honestly. He got this thing probably real early 2000s, 02, 04, somewhere in there, I believe. Don't hold me to it. But this truck has, it's been through quite a bit. I believe it's factory suspension. I think it's just on a little bit bigger tires. They're probably like 33s as to like the stock 31s that were probably supposed to be on it. For many years, like I said, my old man drove this truck, and it is time to see this thing on its way out. It's pretty rough. I mean, got some holes in the bumper. This fender's not terrible. Rear quarter's missing. The paint's fading. He started to kind of resurrect this truck, as you can see. Tailgate's in primer. Roll pan is, you know, all set up on there. And then he needed some metal for a quick fix on something, so there's a hole cut in there. But the last couple of years, this thing has just been a yard truck. And not that it's anything special, not that it's anything crazy, but I wanted to show you guys just some of my personal life. This has just been in the background of many videos. I mean, we use it to push our project cars all around the driveway when they're not running, and just funny things. But started to skip a little this year, just seeing a new cap and rotor. I got some new fuel lines. I have a clip of us changing the spark plugs a little earlier this year. If I have the clip of the exhaust throwing I think it was burning the cat out of it, throwing it out of the exhaust, I'll put that in here. That clip is hilarious. Oh my boys, I've never seen something like that. That is not good. Oh man.
At least I got some heat on it.
A bright red cat. But don't want to take up too much of your time. It's just wanted to make this a clip because someday I'll look back on this and be like, oh man, I remember that truck. Like I said, he painted the cowl hood on it. You know, he got a little custom with the wheels. I always loved that. I thought that was super cool. Funniest thing about this truck is like these being the factory rockers, solid. The rest of the truck is rotted. There's holes cut in it. To take the key out of the truck, you have to pull this little handle because you got to turn the key back and pull it out. I mean, it's seen better days, and like I said, it is 110%. It is a yard truck now. A little automatic with a Chevy 350, but guess it's time to say goodbye to this thing. We have a guy coming to pick it up tomorrow, and he's buying it just as a yard truck, parts truck, whatever it may be. Most of my offers were on that hood. Everybody wanted that hood, but yeah, I wanted to give you guys a quick look at some of my inside life. Just growing up as a kid, riding around in this thing all the time. Not much left of it now, but just a cool piece of my life. Yeah, so that's it for this cool little 1999 GMC Ukon that's been in our family for, man, probably over 20 years. But I guess that's it. Next clip you'll see, it'll hopefully be going away on the flatbed. I mean, she runs, that's half the battle. That's a steep ramp. Four-wheel drive time. The plow doesn't help really. Oh man. Dude, that is steep, like uncomfortably steep for me. Like this is me next to it. That is up there. Well, and there she goes, boys. Time for a new era. Hanging out over at Sako Automotive Sales and Service right now. Got the cool car lineup going on now. And whole nice display in here. I mean, everything's really coming together. So if you need anything, holler. Not too bad. Over at Sako Automotive Sales and Services. Hanging out with the homies. Okay, maybe almost two wheels. It's hard to tell. That's too funny. I guess we're already kind of in a weird vlog style video, but I wanted to show you guys. This is called the Sako Heath Preserve. Now, if you live in Sako, it's probably not anything crazy, but I mean, being in Maine, if you've never seen this before, it's pretty interesting. It's just a long boardwalk. I think it's about a 2 mile hike, and I don't know, it's just pretty cool. I like giving you guys these little tastes of Maine. This is kind of what we're all about. But here now with my beautiful girlfriend, flip this around for y'all, and yeah, we're just cruising on through. Pretty random, but like I said, if you're not from Maine, I mean, it's pretty interesting. This is the only site like this I've seen kind of living out here. I think these are all black spruce trees. We are out here with the purple truck, getting some of the less exciting things done before car season is in full effect. And one of those things that we got going on is finally changing out these front tires. We just got some in the mail, and the reason being is in the summer I host a ton of car meets, and on my way to one of them, I bent a wheel and destroyed a tire. Just hit a massive pothole because I live out in the countryside. And so I've been rocking these since, like, man, just the end of the season, really. I think I had to go to IFO on these tires, and they were on this truck when I lowered it as the 4x4. They were just cheapy tires. But as you can see, they are done. Like, they're so worn out on this on the side here, because back then, every time this truck would hit a bump, the wheels would like tote in and out instead of like having negative and positive camber when you hit bumps. So all set now because we've chassis swapped that, but just really need to get this on all 4 matching tires. After I swap the wheels, we can get this all cleaned up, but it should be pretty simple. We're gonna go stop by Shaq Shop, pull the wheels off there. Usually I bring them, but this time. We're heading to a meet pretty soon here. I know, great weather for it. But yeah, I figured I'd show you guys what we had going on there. Nothing crazy. They're just them Kumo Extensas, but not really a big deal. Just wanted to have this thing on a matching set of tires nonetheless. And I'm pretty good, actually. I've been pretty happy with them for cheaper tires. Eventually I'll get some really nice tires, but I got a lot of work to do with these wheels too, or honestly find another set of staggered star wheels. So if you have some, reach out to me. I was hit by a minivan a couple years back, so it's kind of done some damage to this one, and this one's always losing air. There's a little pinhole at the valve stem. This, I don't know, oh, this one's always losing air because of that massive pothole I hit, I bet. So, it's just kind of a pain, but this is a good start. We're going to be on some fresh tires for the car season. It's exactly what we want to see. Well, we got her back on there. Just got to put that wheel cap back on there, and good to go to the meet. Well, here we are again, boys. Little clip. We're just starting April. I mean, we just had Easter, and this is how things are looking. So that's why the content's a little slower right now, but still fun to do these vlog style videos, get some content out there, and guess I'm gonna finish off today's vid. If you want to see some more car content in the future, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching. Hopefully we can really get back into car season, because this stuff is not very fun. And I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Peace out.